Gateshead Innovation site is 41 houses and we're using 6 different construction types, so it's a bit different than anything Home Group have ever done before. It's been a long time in planning and pulling this whole scheme together, so it's quite an important day.
Today is the first day of the units arriving on Gateshead Innovation Village. At the moment we've got 2 ground floor ilk units.
Setting out the first one is the most challenging unit. It's got to slip over some preformed holes for drainage connections and electrical connections, so they've got to be exact when the crane drops that down. We've got 5 different companies on board with us on this project. We've got Ilka Homes, got Premier, Simply Modular, Zeller, and then the other type of construction we're doing is the Icarus system. All different products that deliver in, some modular, some panelised system, and then we've got traditional as well.
We're using modular on this site to investigate the speed of construction. These units were built in a factory under factory conditions, which hopefully means that the construction of them is a lot better rather than building them in a cold, windy, wet site. These units approximately take 2 weeks to build in factory conditions. In one day, you'll go from a foundation to a finished house.
I think this is something new that we're doing, and it's basically a bit of a test to see, will this work in the future? Can we make this work on other sites? I've worked on sites using modern methods of construction, that'd be panelised systems, but never anything as big as this or as many different systems as this.
The costs are greatly reduced for the contract because you can be working simultaneously, preparing the foundation and the drainage on site while you're actually building the modular units, the houses off-site, and then it all comes together as one.
This is a live experiment that we're doing at Innovation Village. We're basically moving people in early next year once the site's finished, and we'll be using the following year to monitor the properties, speak to the customers and get a whole host of feedback. We want to learn from this project to see, are there any improvements on these properties that we can use on future schemes and future projects going forward. The Great Exhibition of the North gave a good reason for us to do something like this on our doorstep. You know, we don't get sites like this all over the country. It's great that one's appeared in Gateshead that we can use and build something really innovative and really different. The first units have completed today. It's gone as smoothly as we could have hoped. All the roofs are on, watertight, locked up. I think everyone can go home now after a good day's work.